All right, you guys, I had to add some grease oil to my machine, but here it is with a little sewing here. It was starting to, you could hear it in the sewing machine, but so here's just with a little zigzaggy border, just gives it a little bit of fun texture. So then what I do with these, I admire it for a little bit, check it out, and then I go like this. I just roll them up, and then I store them for when I want to use them. So isn't that so fun? And then you just take a clip, and then you have a roll of funness. Yeah, so many fun ways to make these. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.